Hello students, so today we will continue the exercise of self practice 5A. In the last class we have studied about the introduction of the algebraic expressions, that what are the variables, what are the literal and what are the numerical coefficient and what is the degree of the polynomial. So in the today class we will solve the exercise of 5A. First question, which of the following algebraic expressions are polynomial? Which of the following expressions are polynomial? See the question first. 1a, 5 minus 7x. So in the last class we discussed a polynomial is an expression in which the degree of the variable cannot be a fraction or the negative integer. So here the degree is a positive integer, the degree of the variable x is positive integer, so this is a polynomial. This is polynomial. So any polynomial is the degree of the expression. Suppose in any polynomial like 3x to the power minus 1. So 3x to the power minus 1 plus 7. This is not a polynomial because in this the degree of the variable x is a negative integer. So a polynomial in which the degree of the variable should not be negative or fraction. This degree should not be fraction also. Another example we can take, this is not a polynomial. 4x to the power 1 by 2, the degree of this polynomial is a fraction. So this is also not a polynomial. So the first one is the polynomial. Second, y cube plus 16y square minus 11. This is also a polynomial because here the degree of the variable in this polynomial is also a positive integer. C 2y square minus xy plus 5y minus 3. C is not a polynomial. Now see the expression C. 2y square minus xy plus 5y minus 3. So this is not a polynomial because the degree of this y is minus 1. So 5 by y can be written as 2y square minus xy and 5 by y can be written as 5y to the power minus 1. So 1 by y can be written as y inverse. 1 by y can be written as y inverse. Now the degree of this term y is minus 1. So that's why this polynomial, this expression is not a polynomial. So option C, this C is not polynomial. This is not polynomial. Now D, 2 minus 9x. D is also not a polynomial. D, 2 minus 9 by x. So here also the variable is at the denominator place. So this degree of this x is also a negative integer. This can be written as 2 minus 9 into x to the power minus 1. Since the degree of the variable x is minus 1, a negative integer, this is also not a polynomial. This is also not a polynomial. D is also not polynomial. Next, E is the polynomial 8 minus 3x plus 4x square minus 6x cube. This is the polynomial. F19, 19 is also a polynomial. G17, Z, this is also polynomial. H, x plus 1 by 3x minus 2 is not a polynomial. H, not a polynomial. X plus 1 by 3x, x plus 1 by 3x minus 2, not polynomial. H is also not polynomial. Okay, so now we move to the next question, question number 2. Consider question number 2. State the numerical coefficient and degree of each monomial. 2a State the numerical coefficient and degree of each monomial. So 45. The numerical coefficient is 45, and what is the degree? And the degree here, numerical coefficient so numerical coefficient 45 and degree equals to 0. Degree equals to 0. So 45 can also be written as 45 x to the power 0. Now the value of x to the power 0 is what? 1. So 45 can be written as 45 multiply 1. This 45 we can write as 45 multiply 1. Now in the place of 1 we can write x to the power 0. So here the degree of this monomial is 0. Now we see the C. Question number C. 42 x to the power minus 1 by 4. 42 x to the power minus 1 by 4. In this also we see the numerical coefficient is what? Numerical coefficient is 42. This 42 is the numerical coefficient. This is the numerical coefficient NC, and this is the degree. Minus 1 by 4 is the degree. This we can say degree. So whatever the power is, that is called the degree. So minus 1 by 4 is degree. Now in the question number D, 9b. 9 is the numerical coefficient, and b, and the degree of the 9b is 1. Okay. So now here the question is state the numerical coefficient and degree of each monomial. So here we also have to see whether it is a polynomial or not. Since this is not the degree of the x is a negative integer. Since the degree is negative integer, so it is not a monomial. So here in this question we have to find the numerical coefficient and degree of each monomial. Which is monomial? That question, so only we find the numerical coefficient and degree. So this degree is, since what you can write degree is, since the degree is a negative integer, degree is the degree is negative integer, so it is not a monomial. If it is not a monomial, so we don't need to find the its numerical coefficient and degree. Okay, so we are not going to find the numerical coefficient and degree. Similarly, the 2b 4x square upon y, there also the degree, the y is at the denominator place, so the index of the y is negative integer, so 1 upon y can be written as C in the b also. Similarly, b is also not monomial. This is not monomial. 4x square upon y. This is what? Not monomial. It is not a monomial. So only we find the coefficient. Only we find the coefficient and degree of monomial expression. Since it is not monomial, means it is not a polynomial, because the degree of y is minus 1 negative integer. Degree is negative integer. Therefore, it is not common. It is not polynomial or monomial. It is not monomial. Degree is negative integer, therefore it is not monomial. Similarly, we can see E is the monomial 8pq. Question number E. 8pq is the monomial. 8 is the numerical coefficient, and the degree is 2. So in this question, see the degree is 2. How the degree will be 2? Here we can see question number E, that 8pq. So the 8 is the numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient is 8, and the degree, see, 8pq can also be written as 8 multiply p to the power 1 to the power 1. If there is no power over the variable, so it can be considered as plus 1. So both are multiplied. Apply the law of product of the exponent, you have to add these two powers, 1 plus 1 2. So the degree for this expression, so degree equals to 1 plus 1 2. So the degree of the monomial 8pq is 2 and its numerical coefficient is 8. 8 is the numerical coefficient. So what you write in this? 8 is the numerical coefficient of 8pq and the degree of 8pq is 2. Now the question number G, 5 by t square. This is not monomial because the degree of variable t is -2, so it is not monomial. X by square is a polynomial, degree will be 3 and numerical coefficient is 1. H, see question number H. This is written here, x by square. Now question number is xy square. So xy square can also be written as 1 into xy square. So this 1 is the numerical coefficient. So numerical coefficient equals to 1 and the degree 1 plus 2. This can also be written as 1 multiply x to the power 1 into y to the power 2. So add all these two powers because x, y is both are multiplied with each other. X and y square is multiplied with each other. So in a monomial, we add the each index of the multiplier of the variables. See here, x and y both are multiplied. So both are one is the multiplicand, other is the multiplier. So we apply here the product law of exponent. So we add all these two index. So the degree of the monomial xy square will be 1 plus 2, that is 3. So degree of this expression is the 3. Similarly, we can do question number I and question number J. In question number I, numerical coefficient -7 d cube, numerical coefficient is -7 and the degree of this expression is the monomial is 3. In J, numerical coefficient is -25 and degree is 3. Now we'll do question number 3. Select the like terms in each polynomial if any. So we consider the question number A. Here we have to select the like terms. 7x minus 3x, 7x minus 3x plus 8. So what are the like terms? A like term, here in this expression we have to select the like terms. So like terms equals to like terms is 7x, like term is the 7x and 3x. So these two terms are the like terms, 7x and 3x. We can say it is a like terms. So like terms having the same variables and same degree. Here you see in both the 7x variable is x, in 3x the variable is x and degree is also same. So in like terms there should be the same variables, same literals and same degree. Then only we can say the like terms. 3x square and 4x. This is unlike term. Why unlike term? Their variables are same, but the degree is not same. So that's why it is the unlike term. Similarly, we can do question number D. See in D what are there? 2xy minus 5xz minus 5 xz plus 4yz 2xy minus 5xz plus 4yz minus yz. So in this expression, see what are the like terms? See, there is no xy. Here it is xy, here it is xz. These two are the unlike terms. Yz are the like terms. So here the like terms is the 4yz, 4yz, and this yz. So this 4yz and this yz is the like terms. So here we can write in the like terms we will write the terms along with their sign. So here also we can write it, here it is the minus 3x, so here also we can write as minus 3x, and here we can also write minus yz. So write along with the, because write the terms along with the sign, plus 4yz minus yz minus yz. Here 7x minus 3x. Simply we can write it. Okay. So these are the like terms. Simply we have to find the like terms in each expression. Now you can see the next question. Question number G. In the question number G, r plus s, r minus s. So here first bracket 8 multiply r plus s and minus 3 multiply r plus s. These two are the like terms. R minus s is not the like terms. So in this, see how we do the question number G. See how we do the question number G. Eight multiply rs, r plus s, minus 3 multiply r plus s, plus 5 multiply r minus s. So in this question, to find the like term, first what we do, will multiply. Will expand this expression. So 8r plus 8s plus minus 3r minus 3s minus 3r minus 3s minus plus minus 3 into s 3s. Here you see 5 into r 5r plus minus 5 into s 5s. Now we add all the like terms. So here in this expression we add all the like terms. So what are the like terms here? You will find 8r and 3r are the like terms. 8s and the minus 5s is the like terms. Minus 8r minus 3r plus 5r is the like terms. So we can make a group of the like terms. Now in this expression, how we write the like terms? So like terms, see how we can write. So let us rearrange it and write in the bracket. First bracket we write the term of the r. 8r minus 3r plus 5r. Again we write in the next bracket s. 8s minus 3s so minus 5s. Now this we can write as a like terms. Now what are the like terms? These two brackets are the like terms only. So like terms equals to in one bracket you can write 8r comma minus 3r comma 5r. In another bracket also you can write the next like term 8s comma minus 3s comma 5s. These are the like terms. Like this we can write the like terms. Okay. So in this we got the like term 8r minus 3r 5r and 8s minus 3s and minus 5s. Like this we can write the like terms. Next is the state the degree of each polynomial in question number 4. So see, whatever the maximum power of the variable, that is called the degree. So see the question number 4a. 7 plus 3y plus y square. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial, the degree of y, this y square is 2, degree of 3y is 1. So the maximum power is called the degree of the polynomial. So the degree is the 2. So degree of this polynomial is equal to 2. So whatever the maximum power in a polynomial, that you find the index over any variable, that is called the degree of the polynomial. So here you have to find the degree of the each term of the polynomial. The degree of this y square is 2, this is 1 and this is 0. The degree of the constant term is always 0. So the maximum power of which term is y square, that is 2. So the maximum degree of a term is called the degree of the polynomial. Next we can see the question D. 3x cube is the question D. 3x cube plus 15. 3x cube plus 15 plus x minus 2x square. 3x cube plus 15 plus x minus 2x square. Now the degree of this term is 3, degree of this term is 0, degree of this term is 1, degree of this term is 2. So the maximum degree of which term is 3x cube, that is 3. So the degree of the polynomial will be, so the degree of this polynomial will be 3. The degree of this polynomial will be 3. Because this first term variable has the maximum power 3. So that will be the degree of the polynomial, that is degree equals to 3. So this is all for the today students. In the next class we will do the remaining question 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 of self practice 5a. Thank you for your kind attention.